guys, our interview is done and I got rejected. And she asked me, like, what are you doing currently? And what was your question?
My question was based on my resume, and she was asking me like, what are you doing and where are you from? So that was the question. Hello everyone.
So hey guys, we are in washroom.
We done with the first round and now we got selected for the second round.
Guys, we are done with our interview and we got rejected in first round. And I don't know the interviewer's name, but she asked me like what you are doing currently. She asked me this question and many questions. Yeah, she asked me another 2-3 questions from my CV. And what was your?
She asked me the same question. She asked to you, like, what you are pursuing right now. So I told her that I'm pursuing BBA currently from CSJM University. Then she asked that, what is the difference between Kanpur and Gurugram that you have came here. I clearly told her that there are better opportunities here, not there. And yeah, she just rejected. She said.
And do you know what? She gave us feedback also. Like
She didn't give feedback.
she gave us feedback. She like whom she was rejected. She gave each and everyone. She gave her feedback each and everyone.
But she didn't give feedback to me. She just said
She told us that you have to improve yourself and appear again and work on your communications, and or either you didn't meet with our criteria, so go and check their website also. So
Yeah.
she told us that.
She
Now she is giving like I don't know her name, but she gave all the candidates her feedback.
Okay, but she really said that you can come back again. No feedback. But I saw that she was giving everybody a feedback that you should improve your communication skills or improve your grooming, but no feedback to us. I don't know why.
So now prepare for the next interview, sir.
Yeah, sure.
And hope for the best.
Yeah.
Okay. She only selected 2 candidates from our group, and from each of the groups, she selected only 2 or 1.
Yeah, in our round as well, only one was selected.
Only
No,
one?
actually two were selected.
Yeah.
And before I've seen that only one was selected.
Yeah. Let's go outside.
Yeah, it's very dark here.
So let's go now.
Yeah. Okay, I was going upstairs.
There is no cafeteria. We are looking very peaceful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. After rejection, we are very happy.
Yeah, better luck next time.
Yeah, better luck next time.
Good things take time.
Now let's go to home, and our today's vlog is like
NCO.
today were few candidates were here. Like
They
there were no crowd.
come
Actually.
continuously and get rejected, so we can't say that there were few candidates. When they will.
I came here in exact time, like 9 a.m. Not 9 a.m. It's 9:10 or 9:15. But I saw that there is no crowd outside the hotel, but inside there were like 100+ candidates.
I hate one thing about this Saket and Lucknow interview. They've just let the parents sit outside of the hotel. Why? You have a place to let them inside. In Gurgaon, I remember that they would have provided a conference hall for them.
Yeah, in Hotel Africa also there are like place for parents.
Yeah, it's very bad. I don't like this thing.
But
You should respect everybody equally. If you are hiring somebody, then their parents are also your priority. Should be your priority.
yeah, that's why.
It
But
was really nice talking.
same me too.
मैंने देखे तो नहीं है इंटरव्यू सॉरी तुम्हारे ब्लॉग बट आई विल फ्रॉम नाउ
Yeah. देखना.
आई एम शोइंग अप यू
Now let's go because we got rejected. तो अब घर ही जाना पड़ेगा.
उन्होंने बोला भी है कि बिल्डिंग में रहने के लिए अलाउड नहीं कर सकते
नहीं अलाउड है.
मतलब नीचे
या ऊपर अलाउड नहीं बोला कि like who have done with their interview and go outside interview में.
ऑल्सो बैक कवर लुकिंग सिलेक्शन तो हुआ ही नहीं है बकवास
So now let's go to outside from the hotel.
यू नो व्हाट हर्ट्स What hurts? When you get selected for the first round in previous interviews, but again get rejected in the first round this time. It's very devastating.
You see, you have cleared your first round in your
In,
previous
yeah.
in your previous interview.
Yeah.
So what she asked you? Like what
That
was
time, last time I remember, she asked me, who's your favorite family member? So I just told her that my mom is my favorite family member. Since we can't have any particular favorite family member, we love equally everyone. But still, I gave a diplomatic answer to her and she accepted.
Okay, and any other questions you asked?
No, a single question was there.
Okay, okay.
And everybody complains about Rakhi ma'am is not good, but I just love her.
She is cute,
Yeah, she also accepts.
but she didn't apply any makeup. Like,
Yeah,
if she will apply any makeup, then she will look more gorgeous.
yeah, but she's naturally beautiful.
Yeah, it's natural. Okay, so let's go to home because our interview is done and there's a very hot weather here.
देख लेते हैं पहले कितने का है.
छोले भटूरे. Let's see.
You're from?
I'm from Delhi. यहाँ से जाना है शायद.
Oh, upstairs.
Okay, okay. Done. Oh my god. This is a restaurant.
What is it?
Let's go inside. Okay, right?
It's very dangerous. Adventurous.
It's very dangerous. Yeah, it's adventurous also. Oh my god.
Be careful.
Yes, I'm very careful. Ah. Okay. Chole bhature.
Chole bhature are not here, I guess.
See, such.
Survekshan.
So, how was your day, guys?
It was very hectic. As I've already told one of the candidates that I have gone for a corporate sector interview yesterday and I got selected. But since I have the Indigo interview today, I left the joining and they called me that we can't hire you like that.
Yeah.
I asked them for a half day leave but they didn't and rejected me from that side also. It's very hectic since yesterday. I was just praying I would make it today, but उन्होंने तो मुझे पहले राउंड में रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
It's okay, we will come again.
या
अब तो लाइक ऐसा हो रहा है कि मेरे साथ अब तो आदत सी
मुझको अच्छा मैं बोर हो तो स्किप कर देना इतना पार्ट.
if you are like by seeing this video, if you will feel bored, then you can skip.
इतना पार्ट बस स्किप करना, बाकी का वीडियो देखना.
Yeah, you can skip this part, but this is only enjoyment purpose, not more than just, not more than that. आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे rejection से, अब तो मुझको मिल रहे हैं ऐसे rejection पे rejection. क्या करूँ मैं, मुझको ना है कुछ पता.
पता चल रहा है आवाज से दर्द की हम लोग कितना ज्यादा
फिर से
अपसेट है.
आना पड़ेगा दूसरे इंटरव्यू में. अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे रिजेक्शन से, पर अब मैंने सोच लिया कि बार बार देना है. एक दिन हो जाएगा ये सपना पूरा, तुम कुछ तो गाओ मेरे साथ.
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है.
अब देखते हैं दूसरे इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है. हम बेइज्जती करा रहे क्या? बट हम दिल की भड़ास निकाल रहे गाना गा के.
अच्छा मैं
Okay.
इंडिगो के लिए एक गाना गाना चाहूंगी. मतलब
ओके, फॉर इंडिगो.
हाँ इंडिगो के लिए.
Okay,
उसने
okay.
मुझे धोखा दिया है.
धोखा गद्दार.
तेरे प्यार ने सारे बदनाम कर दिया, मुझे शराब का गुलाम कर दिया. मुझे न जी रहा हूँ ना मैं मर सका. ऐसा मेरा हशर है बन गया जो पहले मैं खाना था. घर है बन गया कि अब तो साकी ने भी रेज्यूम का हिसाब ना रखा.
जख्म गहरा है इसे रहने दो, याद आई है याद आने दो, दिल जलता है मुझे पीने दो, रिजेक्शन ने तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब कर दिया है बड़ा। ओके सो पागल मत होना गाइस, ये जस्ट भड़ास निकालने के लिए हम ऐसे ओके।
They also have a task, you know, that they have to hire only some of them. So we can't blame them also.
We can't blame them also. It's their policy, I think, that they will select only one or two candidates.
I have seen that among 800 people they select only 2. वो भी PhD के लिए. So
In PhD, they will select only two.
yeah.
Out of?
Out of 800.
Okay, so how did you like? How do you?
I have a friend from Manipur, Arshia.
Arshia.
We met in Hotel Salt Stays.
What she told you, like?
She told me that she went for the 4th interview, personal interview. She was among 5 people.
Okay.
So 2 of them were selected on PhD and 3 of them were rejected. In those 3, she was the one. Now
Like,
let's go to metro station and find something because it's getting late.
we are hungry also.
Yeah, we are hungry.
Let's go to like. Let's go now.
चश्मे से ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही हूँ क्या मैं? ये पहले ज़्यादा सही था.
This specs you are looking very good.
Oh, thank you.
But
Actually,
and I have also specs, but now my specs like I don't use specs. I'm wearing lenses.
okay. Actually, these are not tested. It's
Because
just
it's
for,
because it's not allowed in interview venue.
Yeah.
So you have to put your lenses. So they will allow you.
yeah.
By specs they will also allow you in
In interview only.
in interview.
Then they will ask you to wear lenses instead
yeah,
of
in medical
spectacles.
rounds.
Yeah.
But it's important to wear lenses because maybe they will reject you in medical round. So it's important to wear lenses also.
Let's go.
Now let's go. वैसे ही आज like क्या बोलते हैं? वैसे ही आज बहुत लेट हो गए हैं. And she announced the result after 10 minutes or 5. After 10 minutes. She announced the result after 10 minutes.
Yes.
So we have to wait there also. And सुबह से like 9 a.m. से आई हूँ. And now it's
Now it's 11:54, almost 12.
almost 12. Okay. So देख लो, if you are coming in interview, so you have to
And if you get selected for the further rounds as well, then it will take almost 4
So
p.m.
you have to make a time for you, like time तो निकालना ही पड़ेगा इंटरव्यू के लिए if आ रहे हो तो.
You should take lunch with yourself also. I have
हाँ,
carried.
लंच भी कैरी कर सकते हो if you want, but तुम्हें बिताना तो पड़ेगा ही देर, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. ठीक है.
और फर्स्ट में तो कम, सेकंड राउंड में आपसे और ज़्यादा टाइम लेंगे वो,
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं सेकंड राउंड तक गई हूँ एक बार
They
2
will
बार.
announce their results very like very late. Huh?
Yeah. Actually, for the second round, they have a batch of 10 to 12
Yeah.
ladies in a single time.
So how many they have selected?
For the last
How
time,
many girls got selected and
I guess 3
in
or 4.
second round?
3 or 4 in
Out
our
of?
batch. 12.
out of 12 only
Yeah.
3 or 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was like everybody was keep questioning
Yeah.
for about 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It's not a short process, it's a very long process.
Let's see what will happen.
I don't know मैं कभी select होंगी भी या नहीं.
But try करने में क्या जा रहा है, try करते
सही
रहेंगे
बात है.
यार. Hope नहीं समझ that's all for the today, guys, and I hope you liked my video, and do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and
Do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
and notification on rakhna, because I will upload videos in future also. So for now, bye.
Bye bye.